Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the pylon.
Hold it there. A little to the left. Steady now.
How's the alignment on 2 and 3?
Looks good. Inserting the drift pin now. Borescope confirms concentricity.
Readings at 85 on the gloss meter.
Meets specifications. The finish looks flawless.
Using an HVLP spray gun, the painter applies the dark green FS34079 to the upper forward fuselage and
Sand this run here at 6 and clean the contamination near 33 with IPA.
Initial rust removal testing. The 1965 Boeing B-52 Stratofortress fuselage sample panel being used to test corrosion removal methods in a lab environment.
All right, these are frozen solid. I'm drilling them out. Okay, I'm using the wedge on the sealant here. It's really brittle.
The sequence starts here with these access panels.
We must document the load paths on the CAD model before removing section 42.
This corrosion at station 190 needs a red tag. What's the ultrasonic thickness reading?
Only 40 thousandths. The borescope confirms severe internal structural degradation. Clear the area by the tail section. Ratchet that tensioner down.
Holding steady on this side.
Needs to go 2 more clicks.
All right, bring it down 5 feet. 5 feet, checking alignment now, looks good. Watch the starboard side clearance.
Easy now, clear on the left side. Contacting stand 4, start jacking up the forward bulkhead. Reading point 1 degrees, almost level.
All right, keep coming straight back. Easy now. A little more to the right, you got 2 feet clearance. All right, bring it down slow. Watch the clearance on the right. Easy, easy. Hold it right there. Looks good. Starting the straps.
Bring it down 50 centimeters.
Hold it there. Watch the clearance on bulkhead 3.
Tension on the straps now.
More heat. We're losing the tension. Hitting it down. Hard. There she goes. Staying clear of the drop. All right, take the tension up. Easy now, slow and steady. Watch that left side, give it a pry.
All right, tension up, slow and steady now. We're showing stress fractures on the inboard section. Hold the lip. Holding steady, checking the cell integrity. We have initial separation. Continue the lift at 6 feet per minute. Confirmed, steady ascent.
All right, slowly take the weight, check your alignment.
Levels are stable, connections secure. Lifting steady.
Lift it up, I need more clearance right there. Ugh. All right, it's moving. Keep the tension steady on your side.
Outriggers engaged, pressure is holding steady at 180 bar. Beginning boom extension now. Copy that. Crew is clear of the swing radius.
All right, team, eyes on the rigging points here. Crane position is set. Wind is holding steady at 8 knots. Let's execute this by the book. All right, the bolt's tight. Send me the line. Line coming up. Steady. I got it. Secured to the shackle.
Readings confirm severe corrosion along this stringer. Risk of perforation is high.
Briefing complete. Operators to your stations. Ground crew confirm the slings are secured. Securing the yellow belly slings now.
Take the blade down another foot. We need to get these roots out before the grade check. Careful around the mahogany on the right.
Look at the state of this wiring harness. Completely oxidized.
Yeah, the structural integrity here is compromised. I'm documenting the buckles now.
These vines really did a number on the seals. Look at that gap.
It's completely rotted through. We need to focus on this seam.
They finally exposed the number 3 nacelle of this 65 Stratofortress, serial 560677. The corrosion is extensive.
Finally, we found her. Tail number confirmed, 60677.
The search for 56-0677 begins. We're running the Zenmuse H20T over sector gamma at 300 feet.
Ease tension on the straps. Clamps engaged. Solid connection confirmed.
Bring her down easy. Watch the alignment pin. Pin is engaged, holding steady. Ready for the bolts. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side. Holding steady, almost there. Alignment looks good, ready for the press. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the hinge pins.
Pins are aligned. Securing the starboard bolts now.
Okay, bring her down slowly. Watch the alignment tools. Steady on the left, pins engaging now. All clear. Test the movement, looks smooth.
Installation it requires meticulous alignment. The primary attachment bolts are secured.
lower slightly.
Copy. Adjusting nose gear descent rate.
Clear to start number 4.
Listen to that roar. She's running.
She's alive. Idle RPM reached. That's a clean burn. Great job, team. Blades look good, no FOD detected.
Nacelle structure is sound. No stress fractures visible.
Tug 1, you are clear on the left side. Keep coming back slow.
Copy that. Watching my right wingtip.
Mayday, Mayday, 560677. We have a fire warning, engine 6.
Roger that. 2800, turning to heading 240.
We knew the risks involved with ArcLight missions. Flying into that airspace required total focus.
Listeners. These men were part of the crew that flew this aircraft during the war. They died during Operation Linebacker 2.
We fabricated these panels right here during the structural repair phase.
We honor your extraordinary contributions tonight.
Look at the resistance values. The barrier function is holding up remarkably well after all this time.
Look at the wingspan on the B-52 versus your models.
So the lift force increases with the wing area, right?
Exactly. Now, how does that affect stability?
These upgrades ensure that the historical significance of the Stratofortress is accessible to every visitor, regardless of ability.
We are thrilled to welcome our 1,000,000th visitor. Thank you for being part of this milestone.
Wow, look at that. This is amazing.
Applying Renaissance wax to the landing gear using a microfiber cloth and circular motion to address minor surface oxidation.
The intersection of art and history is vividly displayed here. Aviation provides such rich...
Evacuate the building immediately. Clear this section, check behind the aircraft.
All visitors must exit now.
We're here to share experiences connected to this aircraft and the Vietnam era.
Landing safely.
Reviewing the structural assessment, no active corrosion detected at the lap joints or fasteners. Paint thickness measurements are stable. Condition remains excellent. We honor all who served in the B-52, from the Cold War veterans to those who flew dangerous missions in Vietnam. Managing the controversial history requires a respectful approach to veteran relationships.
I understand, and I'm committed to continuing that mission with the same dedication.
We had a wonderful time. Thank you.
Glad to hear it. Have a good night.
After a 20-year journey from jungle wreckage to museum glory, the legacy of the B-52D Stratofortress is finally secured.